Hello guys, this is Ogaigo. So in this very video now, I'll be showing you how to open this particular app you are seeing right now, which is Access Market, right? Before you head into your App Store, Google Play Store or Microsoft Store, the link is in the description of this very video. Click the link to register. Make sure you use my code so you will get 50% bonus deposit on your first deposit, right? Use the link to register and it's 100% free. So let's jump in now without wasting much of our time. So as you can see now, this is my channel, Trade with Ogaigo, and this is the link now. Recommended broker for Forex, Access Market, create an account, enjoy 30 spread, zero commission, fast withdrawal, 50 bonus on your deposit, right? So now let's click the link now. This is the Access Market link, and the link is also in the video description. Check the description for the link and the Telegram link. So let's go down. I'll just click the Access Market link down to register. So it have opened. First, all you have to do is to scroll up, right, and see, make sure it's showing this very partner code right here, right? The partner code is on my Telegram right here. You can try to see the partner code right here, 7263176. Make sure it's also showing right there, right? So let's head back now. So after you have confirmed this very partner code, so all you have to do now is to input your first name, your last name, your email, your country of residence, your password, and repeat the same password. Then you click I'm not a US. So then you click register. So let's input the first name and the last name right now. So I've been putting my name. Click I'm not a US resident and click on register. So let's just click now and click on register. So you wait for it to load. Try see it have load up right here. You can try see now you are registered. Check your email to confirm the registration. So let's swipe down to look for our email. So this is the email right here. So if you didn't get notification like that, check your email box so you get a notification. So all you have to do now is to click on activate my account, right? So let's click on it now. You can try see now email confirmed. Then your email has been successfully confirmed right here, right? Just click on OK right here. Wow, and as you can see now, this is my account right here. This is the dashboard right here, and this is how my account look, and this is my wallet balance right here, right? So firstly now you have to do now is to click on this verify account. So let's click on it now, verify our account. So this is what is required for you to verify your account right here. So all you have to go for now is to go for this very one, proof of identification. Then you click here, then you put your NIN, or you, if you feel like you put your BVN is also cool. So I will recommend input your NIN and they will verify your account, and you will receive a notification or your email your account has been successfully verified. So after you are back on your Access Market browser right now, after you have verified your identity, now this identity won't be showing again, it will be showing verified right here, right? So after you have verified now, and the next step now for you to take now is to create real account. And you can try see if you want to be practicing with demo, this is demo and this is the real account right there. So you create a real account right now, click on real account, and you can try see it start with standard right here. So click on standard, and you can try see the leverage. You can adjust the leverage, and I will advise you to leave it at 1500 leverage. Then you click on this very place that says create an account. So click on it right here. So after you have clicked on that, now you can already see new account created successfully. Make a deposit into this account to start trading, or do it later. So let's do it now. Let me show you guys how to make a deposit right here. So you click on deposit right there. So after clicking on deposit, it now open like this. You can try see the different type of deposit process that is required for you to select. So as in Nigeria now, I'll be clicking on this now, start bank transfer NGN. So let's click on it now. So after that, now you now bring this up. All you have to do is to click on confirm right here. When you click on confirm right there, it will now load up this very page. All you have to do is to click this very account right here. Click the little zero right there and input the amount, then your currency. So let's do it now. to input, and after inputting it, you can actually see select account. So let's select the account right here. This is standard account, like I said before. And secondly, you put your amount right here. So let me say I want to deposit the sum of 50,000 naira, right? Then input your currency, which is AGN. Then you click, it will ask you to confirm it again. Just confirm right here, and it will now load up this page for you. And you can try see created dates August 15 and processing. You can try see. So you scroll down to this place where it said continue right there. So you can make the payment of this same amount as seen right here, which is 50,000 naira. So let's scroll down and click on continue right here. So when you click on continue right here, it will now open up like this. So when you now open up this page now, you can actually see clearly before you make this transfer only the exact amounts and do not save this account or reuse the account. So the account expire after a fixed time. So let's click on this very blue box right here. I understand the instruction and click on continue, and it will not give you the account details where you will make your money into. So you just copy it now or you type it yourself. So after making the payment now, it should show confirm right here, and you click on confirm right there, and you can just see this account expire in a fixed time, which is 1 minute. So you have to be fast and don't transfer money at this very account right here, 50,000 naira, right, or below 50,000 naira. So after that now, your account will be confirmed and verified immediately. So your next step now is to start trading and making money, right? So you have successfully registered on this very app now, Access Market. And if you find this video interesting, why just click the subscribe button to subscribe, and also turn on the notification bell of this very channel. And also like this very video and share to your friends. Comment the type of video you want me to do next. I will reply you in the comment section. So see you in the next video, guys.